In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a post that stands out using Canva. So regular post, if you want him to stand out in the feed, this is the recommended width and height for the post. 600 pixel wide and 750 height. This way, it's going to show really well, even using the mobile. Okay. And let's see how we can design this kind of post. First, make sure you're signed into Canva. I would really recommend to sign into the Pro version of Canva because then you have unlimited source of design options. Okay, so let's create a design. See if it's not already written here with 600 and height 750 pixel. Create a new design. Okay, you can get a blank page. Now, the most recommended, if you want to create a post that gets a lot of engagement, the recommended format is creating a PDF, which is basically document that consists out of more than one slide, preferably more than 3 slides. That way, your target audience can click on it and see more information about it. Let's see some example, how it looks. You see, first of all, it's really high, so you can see it clearly. And then you need to click on it, and you see more of your post. If the LinkedIn algorithm sees that a lot of people spend time on your post, you're going to rank higher in the feed. So you want to create multiple slides. You can create more than 3 slides to convey your message clearly. Never use small writing so people would not be able to read it. Okay, so your messages should be clear and in big fonts like this. Try to make it enjoyable, easy to read, and have fun with it. And at the end, don't forget call to action. Ask me how to reach out to past viewers. Call to action. Okay, now let's see how to do it on Canva. So you have a blank page. You can either use a template, pre-made template, or you can use your own branding. If you use template, you can simply, what you can do is just duplicate it and change the messaging. Change the messaging according to what we already learned. You can write here the pain point. You can write here the solution, one solution, a second solution, results, and then of course add a call to action. You also have an option to design multiple pages that uses the same design, like this one. See, and it will be more interesting if you use different design in each page. So you can add this and then maybe apply all 5 pages. But what I want you to remember that it's going to be really, really small. So everything that is small, you're going to get rid of. And you're going to use messages that can be conveyed in one big or a few small paragraph, okay? So people will see it even from the mobile. Here. You can also number it, use numbers. So it can be tips on solving their problem. So tip number 1, this can be the tip, and now you put the headline here. Tips, 5 tips to create the perfect post. What you can use here is the spacing. There's a lot of spacing between the letters. Also here, you see, change the spacing. Important tip you want to remember is never to use text on top of a picture, because then the picture wouldn't be visible. You see the difference? Now, what happened if you do want to have a picture so it wouldn't be white? You take this and you can change the transparency. Oh, look how nice it looks, right? And you can see the text. It's really good like this. So change the small text, just make it bigger. And now, once you finish your design, you click on download and you have a few options to download. Use the option of PDF standard, download it. And then when you want to upload it as a slide, upload it as a PDF. Click here, then click on the document.